How to write down recovery phrase in SafePal. Are you guys facing issue to write down recovery phrase on SafePal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. When you first set up your SafePal wallet, you'll be asked to back up your recovery phrase, also known as the seed phrase. This is the most important step. You'll see a list of 12 or 24 random words shown in a specific order. Take your time and write down them exactly as they appear in the current sequence on a piece of paper. Do not screenshot or save it on your phone or share it online. This phrase gives full access to your wallet. You store the paper in a safe, offline place like drawer or locker. If you ever lose access to your phone, you'll need this phrase to recover your crypto wallet. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna write down the recovery phrase in SafePal. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.